Kollector. Kouli Kollector. Hi, Kouli Kollector here. Oh, Dad, did you get that email yet?
I'm looking at it right now, Kouli. I don't know.
What does that, what is an email? What does it mean?
Well, guys, we were supposed to do something special today for Easter, for Easter. But we got an email, Kouli.
Did they say that it was supposed to be here today, but it got delivered to the wrong house?
Yeah, so unfortunately, we were supposed to receive a package today from Red Planet Group, and I'm looking at the email, they sent it to the wrong place.
But, is it Ryan's Toys Review Toys?
That's what it says right here on the email, and you're seeing it too, right?
Yeah.
So
basically, I guess I'm gonna have to go to Ryan and take it.
Really? Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
I guess that's the only way to solve it, right? So, okay, we'll fix this. Don't worry, Red Planet Group. Don't worry, Ryan's Toys Review, Ryan's World Toys and Bonkers. We will send Kouli out to Ryan, and he'll get the package back, and then we could do the review. So, Kouli, are you okay to go by yourself to Ryan's World Toys?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get the box ready, and we'll send Kouli. We'll mail him out to Ryan's World Toys. So stay tuned, and hopefully you can come back with those the package, and we can do the review.
Yeah.
All right, Kouli, we have the box ready for you. We're gonna put you in here and send you out to Ryan. Say hi from all of us here at the Kollector House, and give me a hug. Hopefully, I'll see you very soon. Ready?
Yeah. Let's go! Guys, it's really dark in here, but I think I'm almost there. Stay tuned.
Okay, I wonder where Kouli is. I sent it express, so gotta check.
Oh, here I am!
There you are, and you came back with?
The eggs.
These are the mini eggs from Red Planet Group, so we sorted it out. But thank you very much, Red Planet Group and Ryan's World Toys, Pocket Watch, and Bonkers for these awesome mini eggs.
And me for going over there.
And huge thank you for Kouli for going over there, picking them up. Let's put away the computer, put away the box, and we're going to open them up.
This is actually a magic box, so let's put this aside.
We'll put it aside because it is a very magical box.
And if you just do this, you disappear in the box.
It was like a portal. It was like instant, right? It was very expensive for express mail, but here they are. Here are the Ryan's World Pocket Watch, Bonkers, and Red Planet Group Ryan mini eggs.
I'm ready to open them. So do you want to open them? You open one of them.
I'll open this one. You open that one. Let's look at what we get first.
So you get a mystery squishy figure.
I'll put this away. You either get one mystery squishy figure, or a Build-A-Ryan, or a mystery figure.
And then all of them you.
And then for each of the other eggs, you get mystery stickers, mystery tattoos, a bouncy ball.
You get a tattoo?
Yeah, you get, I think, 2 tattoos. Well, we'll have to see what's inside. And then putty. So
probably 2 tattoos because we have 2 eggs.
yeah, well, at least you get 2 tattoos, so that's awesome.
But
and they're just in time for Easter.
And
right?
Maybe they might send 4.
You think they're gonna send 4? That'd be cool too.
No, the stickers.
Oh, okay.
Stickers.
And what's the age on here, Kouli?
3+.
All right, Kouli, you wanna open them up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do an egg cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Easter to those celebrating this weekend.
It's actually...
We're celebrating next weekend, right?
because we're Greek, if you didn't know.
So there is the packaging. Oh, cool.
Oh.
So what? You open up that and you get...
4.
Wow, that's cool. So there's so many different... This is our first time opening these. There's lots of layers. There's one in the top too, Kouli. There's something in the top. Oh, that flew out of... I think that's your bouncy ball. How do you open that? All right, so there is my mystery figure in the middle. You got yours. And here is my bouncy ball.
Oh, my putty, it says.
Putty's at the bottom?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, look, I got a Ryan's World and a Gus the Gummy Gator tattoo. These are the tattoos.
I got the Professor Ryan, Mo, Combo Panda,
those are stickers and those are tattoos.
Super Ryan.
And then look, I got Combo Panda and Gus stickers, and so that's cool. I'm gonna.
My tattoos are Super Ryan and Combo Panda.
So those are the tattoos. That's really cool.
And my stickers are Professor Ryan and Mo.
Cool. And here are all the different ones that you can collect. The collector's guide. You gonna open up the putty first, or are you gonna open up your figure? Look at that, cool.
My putty. Can you help?
Yeah. What I like about this is they're actually pretty easy to open with the plastic and stuff. Can't open that? As soon as it says pretty easy to open.
It's hard.
Okay, let me get this open. Oh, hey, I think you got it. Oh! There's more plastic to open.
I got black.
It kind of seems, is it black?
Mine is black.
It kind of seems like it's very, like slimy too.
Can I use this for my toothpaste?
So, you gotta take it out of that packaging and then you can put it in.
It actually feels a little bit like
Put
slime.
it in there.
Feels like slime.
Feels like slime? It's really cool. Yeah, it looks like the consistency is like slime.
I'm gonna open this.
Oh, no, it's actually... Oh, it's like a sticky putty. That's cool.
Oh, where can you open it? Is there like a little thing where you can open it?
There you go. So what's your figure, Kouli?
Combo Panda.
You got a Combo Panda? That is so cool. Is it a Build-A-Figure? We got a Build-A-Figure Combo Panda.
Is this like a rare or something?
I don't know. Let's look at the guide. I'm not sure. It doesn't say if it's rare or not, but you built him, right?
I'm pretty sure it's a rare. Oh, we have like the squishy Combo Panda.
We do have a super ultra rare Combo Panda, which is squishy, and you're gonna love this bouncy ball.
Actually, someone left it. We bought it at Toys R Us. I left one. I left mine because I thought Daddy Kollector said no. And then he said yeah. And then I saw that one. I picked it up and then there it was. So whoever picked it up should have bought it.
Yeah, we had a little bit of miscommunication. I said he could get it. He thought I said he couldn't get it. And then he put down the one that he originally picked.
Yeah, and then I found
And you found the ultra rare Combo Panda squishy somewhere in a different aisle.
So I guess
That's cool.
We also got all Combo Pandas.
So Kouli has a lot of Combo Pandas in his mystery mini egg. Look, it even matches your slime or your putty matches Combo Panda because it's black. Mine is blue, so let's see.
Oh, it would be nice if we had yellow.
It would be nice if we had yellow.
Because that's his color of Combo Panda right there.
Let's see what I got here. It feels like a squishy. Oh no, it's not a squishy, and it's not a Build-A-Figure either. So it's like a construction Ryan.
Yeah.
So we have we got an actual, we had a Build-A-Figure, no squishy figure, and we had a mystery figure with accessories. So that's really cool. Blue putty on this one, and let's see what our bouncy ball is.
I'm gonna see what your bouncy ball is.
You're gonna see it first? I really like this figure. We'll show you a close-up of everything after as well.
Super Ryan!
Super Ryan? Nice.
The cartoon Ryan.
That's really cool. That is super cool, and you can
Let's see how bouncy
you can
they
see
are.
them on both sides.
Let's see how bouncy they are.
Whoa, whoa, got him.
Oh, it fell.
They're pretty bouncy.
It looks like Combo Panda also has
It's a controller.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So it's
Oh, I get it, because he plays video
he
games.
plays video games. It's kind of hard to see because it's really small, but again, we'll show you a closer up view of everything. So Kouli, you got black putty, a Combo Panda Build-A-Figure, Combo Panda bouncy, super bouncy ball, these awesome stickers and tattoos, and we'll put these on, if you guys want to see what they look like on us, we'll put them, and check us out on Instagram. You can see where we're going to stick these.
Before we end the video off, hold the controller for me.
You want to hold the controller?
Combo Panda said that, can you hold the controller for him?
And then, so Kouli got a Combo Panda mini egg mystery. I have blue putty. This is
Combo Panda's
kind of like
bouncing
slime.
it.
It's kind of like slime, a thick putty.
Combo Panda's bouncing it.
And I got the construction Ryan. This is Super Ryan.
Yeah, the cartoon.
Super Ryan. Bouncy ball.
Combo Panda's gonna bounce both of them because he's busy doing work.
And I love this logo, a Ryan's World tattoo, Gus the Gummy Gator tattoo, and stickers.
Guys, look! Oh no! His body parts!
That's the Build-A-Ryan.
Oh my god, he's
So,
back together.
He is back together. It's so cool. You could store everything back in the...
No way!
Yeah, you could build the figure. And then you could build the egg again.
But you can't build the arms.
You can't build the arms. That's the only thing that you can't build.
Thank you, Red Planet Group, and...
Thank you, Red Planet Group. Thank you, Kouli, for going all the way to Ryan's World and picking up our package. Thank you to Bonkers for making these awesome eggs and mystery mini eggs.
Oh, this is actually bigger.
Are they? That's because you haven't closed it off. So we'll continue playing with all this awesome stuff. Check it out. Happy Easter if you're celebrating. And let us know if you did buy these mini eggs or the big ones. Yeah. The big giant eggs. We'd love to know what you found in your eggs.
And if you're watching this video tonight, please tell us if you have the big egg and you want to play date with Ryan.
That's right. There is a playdate, mystery playdate debuting tonight on Nickelodeon for Ryan's World.
My bally fell off.
I think your bally's on the floor.
Yeah.
So we'll continue playing, and Kouli, as always,
please like, share, subscribe, comment, or welcome below. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Hey, look, Combo Panda saying bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Bye. We're saying bye this line.
Bye, Ryan.
Kouli. Kollector. Kouli. Kollector. Kouli Kollector.